Hi YouTube and welcome to my channel. This is Who What Why 404 and today I'm coming to you with a special unboxing. It's my daughter's birthday and she wants to unbox her new birthday gift for you guys here on YouTube. So again, this is Who What Why 404 and my channel is all about luxury bags, semi-luxury bags, jewelry and gifts and everything that I think that are just the bomb. So please like this video if you do like it and subscribe to my channel because I have some awesome content I want to go over with you. So without further ado, here is the unboxing.
It's a Fjallraven, the rainbow blue. I've been asking for this for like forever.
You have to use the scissors.
Yes, I do.
Don't cut the bag. That's it. That's enough. Just pull the rest of it off. So what my baby got for her birthday is the Fjallraven Kanken Mini, and this is the newest edition. It's the rainbow style, and it's part of the Arctic Fox initiative. As you can see this.
Yay!
And I ordered this from Nordstrom's, and it actually came in like 2 days. Regular free shipping, and it came in like 2 days. So you can see the front. You can see the back.
Back is cool.
Yeah, it's cool. And look at this blue color.
Yeah, I chose the
blue
blue
color is awesome. It is so pretty.
I'm gonna put Disney pins on it.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it. Thank you, Mommy.
All right. So next I'm going to show you the difference between this and the mini that I already have, which is the number 2 mini in all black. So this is my daughter's bag that she got for her birthday. And let me show you, these are the tags that came on it. It's part of the Arctic Fox initiative. And this information explains that. This is the tag and the product information code and all that stuff on the back. That comes into focus. And also that came inside were the instructions on how to adjust the strap. And also information on the Kanken family. So this is the front of the bag, and this is the back, and I've already adjusted the straps for her. And here's again the ergonomic design to help keep the weight evenly distributed. These are the sides. This is the side pocket, and this is the other side pocket. And there additionally is a small front pocket, and you can use this to probably put some. Okay, so my daughter has already stuffed her bag, so she has her lip products in here. So that's what this front pocket is good for. You can't put a phone or anything in there, but it's good for like lip products, some change maybe, some earbuds, ear pod holder, something like that. So yeah, she has it snapped up top. And another thing about this bag that I want to show you is that Because of this material and because it's brand new, what you're going to have to do is pull this lip back to zip and unzip. The zipper runs smoothly, but it's just that because it has this little lip up top and it's really heavy duty, you're going to have to pull it back to make it easily. I mean, it'll go back and forth, but it makes it a whole lot easier when you pull this little lip up and zip and unzip. Now I want to go ahead and show you the differences between this bag and my number 2 all black that I have. And you can see it's a little dirty because my daughter was using this bag, and since she's gotten this one, she's taking everything out of this one. She kind of like took it from me, but yeah, she took her things out of this and put it into this. And I want to go ahead and show you the differences between the two. Now they're both 13-inch bags, so they're the same height, same dimensions, but the differences are the material for one. Now the black number 2 is this G1000 fabric, and it's more cloth-like than this Kanken Rainbow. The Kanken Rainbow is like a real heavy-duty, really water-resistant material, and sometimes it has a tendency to get like little white streaks on it. But you know, that's fine. It's like a little white haze that'll sometimes get on these bags, the colored ones like this. But yeah, it's a real heavy-duty nylon. Now this bag also has the same little lip on the top, but because this material is more cloth-like and more softer and more flexible, it's not as hard to zip and unzip as it is on this one. You can tell, see how easy it is to lift up on the lip. So the lip on the top of the Kanken number 2 black is a whole lot easier to lift up, and it's easier to zip and unzip on the number 2. The other difference is that the number 2 has leather accents, so the handles are leather, the patch is leather, whereas on here the handles are like a heavy-duty nylon, and the patch is a reflective patch. The patch on the number 2 is non-reflective. If you look at the back has the same ergonomic design. You see the same crisscross in the back on here on the number 2. Same crisscross on the Rainbow. The difference in the two is that, again, there's a leather patch holding the handles on the number 2, where again this is nylon, and probably the biggest difference are the clips. The clips on the number 2 are metal. You can see these are metal clips, and they're embossed with Fjallraven. I don't know if that'll come into focus, but you'll see that that's embossed on the metal clips. And on the regular Rainbow Kanken, the clips are plastic. So this is plastic. The buttons are the same. They're the same metal buttons on both bags. You can see it's the same with Fjallraven. Let me find the buttons on here. Same buttons on here as it is on here. And those are metal. But again, the clips on the back, on the number 2 back black, is metal, and on here it's plastic. So let's open it up and you can see the differences on the inside. So let me start off with the number 2 because it's empty. Now on the inside of the number 2, it's unlined, so the material on the sides is the same as it is on the outside, and the bottom is the same because it's unlined. But the pocket on the back that holds the seat pad is like a cloth-like material. Let me open up the Mini Rainbow and you will see that The inside again on the number 2 is like the mini. It's unlined, so all this is the same. My daughter has her stuff out, so I'll show you what all it fits. Let me take all the things out. So you can see that it's unlined, but on the Rainbow, it's like a nylon material. I don't know if you can see, it's a nylon material. It's a thin nylon. It's not like the outside. It's a thin nylon material. And the other difference you'll see spot on is that on the number 2 black, there's the Fjallraven information patch here. And then there is a leather ID holder here. And you can actually write in your information, or you can slide a picture in here, or your license. And that is in this little area here. And there's the Swedish flag here. And the product tag is on the bottom. Now the Rainbow, this is like a little, it's all one strip of, I don't know, I guess maybe nylon too, and it has the Fjallraven info here, and then you have the, I guess it's a Swedish royal symbol here, and then the Swedish flag here, and then the tags are up top. Now the other difference is the seat pad for the Rainbow. You can see it here, it says seat pad, is actually a piece of styrofoam. It's just a strip of styrofoam that goes in the back, and it fits flush with the bag. Whereas in the number 2, the seat pad is covered. It's probably styrofoam too, but it's covered with the G1000 fabric. So when you see it, it actually looks like a cushion. You can, it's easier to pull out on the number 2 than it is on the Rainbow. And you can just pull it out and sit on it and just slide it back in. It's not as easy to pull out and sit on the Rainbow bag. The Rainbow bag, you may want to just keep it in there and make sure you don't have anything in there, I don't know, and just sit on it. But yeah, this pad is just, let me pull it out so you can see. It's just styrofoam, and it has seat pad. And yeah, this just comes out. You have to stick it back in there and just make sure you get it flushed. Now the bags hold the exact same amount in there because they are both the same size bag. They're both a 13-inch, so you can probably fit, my daughter has some more junk back here in the back. Let me take this stuff out so I can slide this pad back in here easily. So the bags hold the same amount, and I'll show you what she has in here. So she has her, this is her little notepad, which is Guide to London. Yeah, it's a little notepad of hers. It's in here. She has Clorox wipes. She has her, It's a Small World wallet, and this is from Loungefly. And on a side note, the Loungefly Disney products are really nice, very nice quality. They feel like leather, but they're faux leather, and they are, I mean, they have a lot of detail. They're heavy duty. The zippers are easy to open and close. I mean, it's these Disney Loungefly items are really well constructed. So yeah, this is her wallet. She has her little stuff in here, and little change. So again, this is the Loungefly It's a Small World wallet. You can fit in here. She has a squishy that fits in here, a disposable camera. Why she has a deck of cards, I have no idea, but she has that in here. Her asthma pump and a couple of number 2 pencils. Now you can also, with all this stuff, she can fit a water bottle in here as well. So yeah, all that stuff will fit in here easily with no problem. And I don't have to worry about her if she does feel it and it gets heavy, that it's not going to wear against her back because it has this ergonomic design. Now the side pockets, they probably won't fit it'll fit maybe a phone. Let me see. I have a Samsung S6. So yeah, that fits easily on the side. But as far as a water bottle, that won't fit. But a Samsung S6, don't talk about my old phone, that will fit on here. So as you can see, the same amount will fit in this bag as well. Now, the price differences. Let me give you the price. When I bought this bag originally, it was $120. Now it's going up to $130, and like I said, that's probably because it's all black and it has the leather accents and the metal clips on the back. This bag I got from Nordstrom's and it was $70. So, you know, it's just, I guess, a personal preference whether you want, you know, an all black bag. I think this is more, this is maybe a more mature bag, but these are fun. I mean, because you can get these in different colors. The rainbow actually comes in a purple color. So it's purple, like this color purple. I don't know if you can see this color purple in the rainbow, but it's about this color purple, and it has the same rainbow stripes. And like I said, these are part of the Arctic Fox initiative, and it's the newer bag. So yeah, this was $70. This is now $130. You can get the Kanken in so many colors. I don't know, you can see that this is blue on the inside. Yeah, but whatever color you can imagine, these come in. I believe the number 2 you can only get in all black. And they may have some with like black with maybe a tan patch and tan handles. But for the most part, I want it all black. So yeah, you can't go wrong with either bag. I highly recommend them, more specifically because they don't, you know, they have the design to not wreck your back, and they are very durable. Like I said, this bag, I was using it non-stop, and then I took my stuff out to put in another bag and had it, you know, laying around, and my daughter picked it up and started putting her stuff in there. So she was using it for maybe a couple of weeks. Now she has this, and I've had no issues with this bag. I know there's some spots on here, like I said, from when she was wearing it, and I can easily just get a washcloth and clean that off. But do I recommend them? Absolutely. I think they're great bags. They're a lot of fun. Probably, I think one more other thing, let me note. The straps on the number 2, I believe, are a little bit longer. I think they're a little bit longer than they are on the rainbow, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that's the only other difference. But yeah, do I recommend them? Absolutely. I think they're great bags. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I need some subscribers, y'all. I think I have some awesome content to go over with you guys. And until the next time, see you later.